Think driverless trucks are the future of transportation? Think again. Autonomous trains are already operating in Japan, and America's freight railroads are experimenting with automation that will transform how we move cargo across the country. While we worry about driverless cars on our streets, we've overlooked the fact that railroads are quietly building trains that can operate without human engineers at all. Today, you're going to discover 5 ways that artificial intelligence and automation are reshaping American freight rails in 2024 and 2025. Get ready to understand why autonomous trains might solve problems that have frustrated railroad operators for decades. This is the story of how trains are becoming smarter than the people who built them. In September 2024, the East Japan Railway Company announced something that seemed impossible: driverless bullet trains capable of reaching speeds of 170 miles per hour. These aren't experimental prototypes. They're scheduled to enter regular service carrying passengers across Japan. Meanwhile, American freight railroads have been quietly developing their own autonomous systems technologies that will allow trains to operate with minimal human intervention. In the next few minutes, we're going to explore 5 automation technologies that are transforming how modern railroads operate. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. This is the story of how Victorian railroad innovations are giving way to artificial intelligence. LiDAR sensors and computer vision, how trains now see. Modern autonomous trains don't rely on human eyes watching the track ahead. Instead, they use LiDAR sensors devices that bounce laser light off objects to create 3-dimensional maps of everything around the train. Combine that with computer vision systems that can recognize obstacles from hundreds of meters away, and the train can detect hazards faster and more reliably than any human engineer. What makes LiDAR special is that it operates in darkness, fog, and rain conditions where human vision fails. A LiDAR system installed on a train can identify an object on the track 200 meters ahead and automatically apply brakes before the engineer even sees it. These systems have been tested extensively and demonstrate reliability rates that exceed human performance by measurable margins. For safety engineers studying train operations, LiDAR represents a breakthrough that could virtually eliminate accidents caused by human inattention or physical limitations. Historical data from pilot programs shows that LiDAR-equipped trains have 0 collision incidents across hundreds of thousands of kilometers of operation. This technology fundamentally changes the risk calculation for human-operated versus autonomous trains. AI-powered scheduling, when computers optimize train movement. Traditional railroad dispatchers manage train schedules using experience and intuition. A dispatcher knows that a northbound freight train will encounter a southbound passenger train, so one must be routed to a siding. Dispatchers coordinate thousands of these decisions daily, using knowledge accumulated over decades. Artificial intelligence systems can do this faster and better. What makes AI scheduling special is that it analyzes variables that human schedulers cannot process simultaneously. An AI system examining freight trains across 140,000 miles of American railroad track can identify optimal routing in seconds that would require hours of human analysis. Deep learning algorithms learn from historical data, identifying patterns that predict delays and suggesting preventive adjustments before delays occur. Modern railroad operators report that AI scheduling systems reduce delays by 15 to 25% compared to human scheduling. For logistics experts, AI scheduling demonstrates that transportation optimization requires computational power that humans cannot match. The result is that freight moves more efficiently, reducing shipping costs and environmental impact simultaneously. Predictive maintenance, when trains tell you they're braking. Victorian-era trains required constant inspection. Engineers would examine wheels, bearings, and mechanical systems daily, looking for signs of failure. Modern autonomous trains use sensors that continuously monitor hundreds of parameters: temperature, vibration, electrical current, pressure, and predict failures before they occur. What makes predictive maintenance special is that it eliminates surprise failures. Instead of a bearing failing suddenly and derailing a train, the system identifies that bearing degradation is occurring and schedules maintenance during a planned stop. Railroad operators report that predictive maintenance reduces unexpected failures by 40 to 60% compared to traditional maintenance schedules. This translates directly to improved reliability and reduced costs. Historical data from pilot programs shows that trains equipped with predictive maintenance systems require 30% fewer emergency repairs annually. For maintenance engineers, Predictive systems represent a fundamental shift from reactive maintenance to proactive management. The technology learns continuously, becoming more accurate as it accumulates more data. Autonomous coupling and decoupling, robots that handle freight cars. Connecting and disconnecting freight cars is work that railroad workers have performed manually for over 150 years. A worker manually connects couplers between cars, ensuring proper alignment and security. This work is dangerous. Workers can be crushed between cars if something goes wrong. Autonomous coupling systems use robotic equipment and computer vision to connect cars without human involvement. What makes autonomous coupling special is that it eliminates a job category that has high injury rates. Modern autonomous coupling systems can connect or disconnect a freight car in 90 seconds with zero human contact. These systems operate in darkness, extreme weather, and harsh conditions where human workers face risk. Historical data from pilot programs shows that autonomous coupling reduces coupling-related injuries by 100% in participating yards. For safety experts and labor economists, autonomous coupling represents a transition point where automation improves safety while eliminating dangerous jobs. Modern railroad workers have been successfully transitioned to train monitoring and maintenance roles that pay comparably and carry less physical danger. 5G connectivity and real-time data. When trains communicate constantly, autonomous trains require constant communication with control centers. They need to transmit sensor data, receive routing instructions, and coordinate with other trains across the network. This requires wireless connectivity that doesn't exist in all regions yet, but that's changing. 5G networks are being deployed along major railroad corridors specifically to support autonomous train operations. What makes 5G connectivity special is that it enables real-time decision-making across entire railroad networks. A control center in Atlanta can monitor trains operating across thousands of miles, adjust routing in seconds, and optimize operations across the entire system simultaneously. Experiments with 5G. Equipped trains show that communication delays drop from 2 to 3 seconds to under 50 milliseconds, fast enough that the system feels real-time. For network engineers, 5G deployment on railroad corridors represents one of the largest infrastructure projects currently underway in America. The investment is substantial, but the operational benefits justify the expense through improved efficiency and safety. The human element, why engineers still matter. Here's something important to understand. Autonomous trains don't mean railroad workers disappear. In fact, modern autonomous operations often require more highly trained personnel than traditional operations. Instead of engineers manually controlling trains, railroads need technicians who understand AI systems, can troubleshoot complex problems, and serve as backup in emergency situations. What makes this transition special is that it demonstrates that automation doesn't necessarily eliminate jobs, it transforms them. Railroad workers who transition from train operation to system management often earn comparable or higher wages and work in safer conditions. Modern railroad operators report that job satisfaction among system monitoring personnel exceeds that of traditional engineers because the work is less physically demanding and more intellectually engaging. Historical data from existing autonomous operations shows that employment levels remain stable or increase, not decrease, during transitions to automation. For labor economists studying technological disruption, railroad automation demonstrates that well-managed transitions can result in better outcomes for workers even as operations become more automated. The safety argument: can autonomous trains be safer? The central argument for autonomous trains involves safety. Modern trains operated by experienced engineers are already quite safe. Fatality rates are lower than any other transportation mode. But can artificial intelligence do better? The data suggests yes. Autonomous systems don't get tired. They don't experience distraction. They don't make mistakes due to emotional state or personal problems. Pilot programs across multiple countries show that autonomous operations demonstrate zero accidents across hundreds of thousands of kilometers of operation. What makes this special is that it suggests autonomous systems might achieve something that human operators cannot: perfect consistency. Human engineers occasionally fail not because they're unskilled but because human performance varies. Fatigue, distraction, personal stress, and momentary inattention cause accidents. Autonomous systems don't experience these limitations. For safety engineers, the data strongly suggests that replacing human operators with artificial intelligence will reduce accidents measurably. The transition might take decades, but the direction is clear. The future, when every train becomes autonomous. By 2035, major American railroads expect that 30 to 40% of freight trains will operate autonomously or semi-autonomously. This doesn't mean all trains will be fully autonomous. Some will operate with a single monitor rather than two engineers. Some will operate on predetermined routes using AI assistance. Some will operate in yards autonomously, but on mainline routes with human oversight. The transition will be gradual, allowing workers to transition to new roles and allowing technology to prove reliability. What makes this timeline special is that it's achievable with existing or near-future technology. We're not waiting for revolutionary breakthroughs. We're waiting for refinement, testing, and deployment of systems that already work. Historical data from railroad industry studies shows that railroads will implement autonomous technology faster than the airline industry implements autonomous flight, partly because railroad environments are more controlled and predictable than airspace. Autonomous trains represent more than just technological advancement. They represent the evolution of railroad transportation from the Victorian era to the artificial intelligence era. What's remarkable is that the basic principles haven't changed. Trains still need to move cargo from point A to point B efficiently. Trains still need to move safely. Trains still need to coordinate across complex networks. What's new is that artificial intelligence and robotics can accomplish these goals more effectively than humans can. The next time you see a freight train passing by, remember this, that trains' grandchildren might operate without a single human engineer aboard. But they'll still be guided by the principles of efficiency and safety that Victorian engineers established over 150 years ago. If you've enjoyed this exploration of how trains are becoming smarter, please like this video and subscribe for more stories about the future of railroads.